Coverage you can count on continues. With Storm Team 10 meteorologist Everett Lau.
Good evening. Well, we ended up the weekend with a lot of sunshine and some warm temperatures, and that's going to be the focus over the next few days. The summer-like weather patterns locked in, at least for the first half of the work week, with highs well above average, and the heat index is going to be in the lower 90s. Now, it's not going to be too oppressive because a lot of times we get a lot of our humidity from corn that's growing, but obviously that's just sprouted. So not record-setting heat either. We'll see our temperatures climbing into the upper 80s the next couple days, but our record highs are in the lower 90s the next few days, so we should stay shy of that. But we'll be pushing that 90-degree mark by the time we get to Tuesday, especially if you're down near that Highway 50 corridor. Average for this time of year, though, 76, so we're still way above that. We will cool down a little bit, though, as we get into the middle part of the week. That's going to be along a cold front that's not only going to cool us off, but also bring us a chance for rain, especially by the time we get to Wednesday. Temperature-wise right now, most spots still in the 70s out there, so it's a very mild night. 75 in Mattoon, 76 in Casey and Newton, 72 in Robinson and Terre Haute, and it's currently 71 in Paris, Brazil, and in Washington. Now, look at the Storm Team 10 storm tracker. Shows most of us have had a dry day with a lot of sunshine, but if you're farther up to the north, especially in the northern part of Vermilion County, Indiana, or over here into northwestern Edgar County, had a few showers and even a few thunderstorms in that area earlier. That was along a stationary boundary that's set up just to our north, so all that activity fired up right along that stationary front. But now that the sun is set, a lot of that has fallen apart, and we'll stay dry as we go through the rest of the night. So we're in for a quiet night across the area. Futurecast's going to show that. Again, we'll see that mostly clear sky, a few drifting clouds, and that'll be about it. So a lot of sunshine expected as you head out the door tomorrow morning. We'll see those temperatures only in the mid-60s, so it's going to be another mild start to our day. And Monday looks mostly dry. We get into the afternoon hours, we could see a few isolated showers or thunderstorms developing out across central Illinois, but notice as they head this way, they fall apart pretty quickly. So I think most of that activity is going to stay off to our west, but if you're around Mattoon, Charleston, up towards Paris, maybe an isolated shower tomorrow afternoon. We stay dry tomorrow night and we get into Tuesday, it's going to be pretty much a repeat. A lot of sunshine, a lot of warm air. We'll see those temperatures again surging into the upper 80s, pushing that 90-degree mark. But most of the day, once again, looks dry. We get into the overnight hours. That's when we'll see showers and thunderstorms coming out ahead of that cold front. So we will have showers and thunderstorms in the forecast late Tuesday night, going into the day on Wednesday. And when it comes to the threat for strong to severe storms, tomorrow, just a marginal threat for northwestern areas. Most of us should be just fine during the day tomorrow. And as we get into Tuesday, we up that just a little bit with many of us in the marginal threat, which is level 1 out of 5. In our areas to the northwest and the slight risk, but the greatest threat for severe weather during the day Tuesday going to be northwest of the Wabash Valley. As for tonight, no severe weather for sure, mostly clear. Overnight lows dropping down into the mid-60s with a calm breeze. We get into tomorrow, the wind's going to pick up a little bit, get those temperatures up into the upper 80s. An unseasonably warm day with a lot of sunshine. Then tomorrow night we'll drop down to 67, so an even more mild night with a partly cloudy sky. And as we look at the 7-day forecast, you can see those showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday as that cold front comes through, down into the upper 70s on Thursday. Then we'll be in another unsettled weather pattern with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms possible Friday, Saturday, and on Sunday.